gateway to Asia. Manipur is now in pain, betrayed by promises and vows in vain. Once a land of gods with festivals bright, now shattered dreams and endless night. Yes, the Manipur that you used. Yes, the Manipur that you used. You served with pride and won medals too, but now our cries are met with what to do. We fought for India through thick and thin, but now our trust is broken within. Yes, the Manipur that you used. Yes, the Manipur that you used. Can't you see our tears and sorrow deep? Can't you hear our hearts that weep? We're not just a state, but a people true, betrayed by India. What shall we do? The jewel of India, the gateway to Asia. Yes, the Manipur that you use. Yes, the Manipur that you The jewel of India, the gateway to Asia. Yes, the